Today we're going to be installing the Autometer 2645 bolt gauge. Thanks to Autometer for sending us this to install in our 1978 Toyota Hilux. The kit itself is pretty simple. You have your bolt gauge, put your power and your ground, which we'll be using later. You have your bracket, you have your gauge light, which attaches here, simple twist, and it comes with a power and a ground, which we're just going to be looping into the power and ground on the gauge. Now if you want a different color, it comes with this light cover, so you can get the red or the green. A few of the items that you're going to need is 18 gauge wire, black and red, some heat shrink tube, some connectors, some wire colors. The kit also comes with simple instructions, ground, and your 12 volt terminal. So for the light, I decided to go with the green cover and loop them into the 12 volt and the ground. So now that we have our light connected to our 12 volt and our ground, I'm taking the wire, the red wire will go into a 12 volt on our truck, into the gauge, and the black wire will go directly to a ground in the chassis. So now that we have our gauge all set up, we have our light hooked up to the 12 volt and the ground, we have our black ground wire and our red 12 volt wire that will go into the on switch, either on the ignition or another source of 12 volts. Once you located your 12 volt source and your ground, you can pick yourself one of these, or the kit that you order may come with a gauge holder. This goes over the stereo vessel piece, and that's what we're going to use. So this is where the gauge will be held by. And we found our ground and our on switch 12 volt on this wire here. Once you turn on your switch on the on position, the gauge is now on and engaged. And you have successfully installed your Autometer bolt gauge.